Terra Classic ready to swallow 1-0 as market cap nears $1 billion, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with that. The Terra Classic is ready to swallow 1-0. Price increases in the crypto market have kept the mood vibrant since Monday, when Bitcoin price broke out above $57,000 for the first time since 2021, triggering a 5% spike in Terra Classic to $0.3013. Terra Classic has kept a bullish outlook since the beginning of February, with Lunc price moving higher while confined in an ascending channel. Before this upside persistence, yet relatively limited compared to other cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Terra Classic put forth a huge rally in Q4, where it topped at $0.3028. The decline that followed after the December peak was attributed to profit-taking and the widely bearish sentiment in January. After the approval of the Bitcoin ETFs, instability rocked the market, caused by selling the news narratives and massive withdrawals from Grayscale's GBTC ETF. However, with support at $0.409, bulls reclaimed the trend. Now, the biggest immediate hurdle is breaking and holding above $0.3013 resistance. Such a move, although minor, will increase investor confidence, anticipating a Lunc price breakout past $0.302 in the short term. Backing the uptrend is a buy signal from the MACD indicator. Traders use this call to buy Lunc in connection with other indicators to confirm the validity of an uptrend from its early stages. Other factors to consider when buying Terra Classic include its position above other bull market indicators, such as the 20-day EMA, the 50-day EMA, and the 200-day EMA. As for support, the channel's lower boundary will once again try to control downward movement. The above EMAs will also come in handy if the decline intensifies, possibly due to investors getting frustrated for not rising above the immediate hurdle at $0.3013. Despite not being overbought, the RSI has started to retreat toward the midline, suggesting that the uptrend is weakening in low to medium ranges. Investors who employ the dollar-cost average strategy would know that dips prove extremely profitable in bull markets. In other words, buying more when prices retreat sets one up for more gains when the market turns green again. Take, for instance, Lunc price is up 3% in a week, 15% in a fortnight, and 30% in the last 30 days. Let's also talk about that the Terra Classic passes proposal 12073 at the second attempt. The Terra LUNA Classic community has finally passed proposal 12073 on the second attempt. The proposal to burn 800 million USTC through contract migration was introduced for the second time on February 19th, opening the voting window until February 26th. Data from AtomScan showing details of the voting pattern revealed only 40.9% of the validators voted in favor of the proposal. Further review showed 7.3% voted against it, while 43.9% of the validators chose to abstain, with 7.8% voting no with veto. Notably, All Nodes, a top validator of the Terra LUNA Classic community, was among those who abstained from the voting exercise. A community member who spotted All Nodes' abstinence seized the opportunity to encourage other members to vote in favor of the proposal. Passing proposal 12073 gives the Terra LUNA Classic community the go-ahead to burn about $32 million USTC, equivalent to 800 million USTC, from the Risk Harbor multi-sig wallet. USTC's price surged 25% shortly after voting past the approval threshold. The crypto's price surged from $0.032 to $0.0397 in less than 1 hour, according to data from TradingView. The price pulled back before surging again to reach a daily high of $0.041 on February 25th. However, the bullish momentum appears to have faded, with USTC consolidating into a sideways movement. At the time of writing, USTC traded for $0.037 after bouncing off a local low of $0.035 per TradingView data. Apart from USTC, Lunc, another token from the Terra LUNA ecosystem, also surged on the outcome of the proposal approval. Lunc gained 10% within an hour before going into retracement. However, it has continued upwards and traded for $0.30's $133 at the time of writing, according to data from TradingView. Let's talk more about that. The USTC surges 25% as Terra Classic passes proposal to burn 800 million USTC. The Terra Classic community has greenlit a proposal to burn 800 million USTC, a significant development following extensive debate. This decision, documented in Proposal 12073, aims to reduce the circulating supply of USTC, potentially impacting its price in the long term. Proposal 12073 garnered significant community participation, exceeding the necessary pass threshold. This vote authorized the burning of 800 million USTC, valued at approximately $32 million, from the Risk Harbor multi-sig wallet. Among the 58 participating validators, 42 voted in favor, while 11 abstained, and 5 voted against or with a veto. Notably, top validator all nodes abstained, allowing the community to proceed with the burn. The proposal received overwhelming support when it was launched, and now the community can destroy the tokens. The approved proposal lets the community use code to migrate the 800 million USTC from the Risk Harbor multi-sig contract to a new code version through a contract migration proposal. This process leverages a migration handler, which automatically handles any applicable taxes associated with the burn transaction. As emphasized by Fragwordig, a former developer for the Joint L1 task force, this methodology will not alter the overall state of the Terra Classic blockchain. Burning a significant amount of USTC could potentially influence its price by reducing supply, potentially leading to increased scarcity. Token burning is the primary strategy to increase Lunc's price. However, it is crucial to acknowledge that the long-term impact on the price remains uncertain and is subject to various market forces. Following the proposal's approval, the price of USTC experienced a temporary surge of 25%, reaching a high of 4 cents. Although it has dropped 4.53% over the past 24 hours, USTC is still up 19.48% from the past week. The stablecoin is currently trading at $0.0353. And lastly, about how will Terra Classic reach $1? Terra Classic has had a unique journey within the realm of cryptocurrency. As a result, the future of its price remains wide open and hard to predict, although market sentiment will likely play a pivotal role. Should the Terra Classic community effectively convey the safety of Lunc to the broader crypto community, adoption could increase and lead to an uptick in price. On the other hand, any negative publicity, such as the Terraport finance breach, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission fraud charges against Terraform Labs following its bankruptcy, or the delisting of Terra Classic by Crypto.com, may lead to further selling and deter new investors. It also remains to be seen whether the Terra Classic Kwon team will be able to re-establish the peg of its USTC stablecoin. Though a formidable challenge, achieving this would inject renewed enthusiasm into the ecosystem. Additionally, the ongoing process of coin burning gradually diminishes the circulating supply of Terra Classic. Should demand remain stable or experience growth over time, this mechanism has the potential to fortify the price of Lunc markedly. Cryptocurrency data website CoinCodex offered a moderately positive short-term Lunc coin price prediction, suggesting that it could climb 6.59% to $0.30138 by the 1st of March 2024. The website's technical analysis stated that the sentiment on the coin was neutral, with the Fear and Greed Index showing 72. Wallet Investor also shared a positive short-term forecast, believing Lunc could rise 15.9% to $0.30145 by March 11th, 2024. However, it's important to note that these forecasts can be wrong and have been wrong in the past. The crypto market can be extremely volatile. Investors considering buying Lunc should do thorough research based on their goals, expertise in the market, and attitude toward risk. The long-term price forecasts for Luna Classic appear more volatile, with cryptocurrency predictors varying significantly on the direction the crypto's price could take in the next few years. Wallet investors' forecasting data suggests the coin's price could fall almost 40% in a year's time, reaching $0.30755 in February 2025. The site further projected the price could average $0.20196 in February 2026, $0.20106 in 2027, and $0.20122 in 2029. So how do you think? Will Terra Classic reach $1 in 2024? Disclaimer, this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.